We are back for another Fusion tutorial, this time on how to buy microgrids in the Fusion Marketplace. So we're going to start by hopping over to the Marketplace tab. Then we're going to click on microgrids. So you'll see in the Fusion Marketplace that there are actually currently two different categories of microgrids for sale. The reason for this is because we initially started with BNB as the currency to buy and sell microgrids in the marketplace. We've now transitioned out of BNB into eShare, and eShare will remain as the sole currency to buy and sell microgrids in the marketplace. However, these microgrids that you see at the bottom here, until they do get sold or these listings get removed from the marketplace, they will remain here and be available to purchase with BNB. Now, it's very, very easy to buy microgrids in the marketplace. What you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the prices here, and you're going to find the best deal. Obviously, we're not going to want to buy this one that is for $14.69 per sack point when we could buy this one that is 4 cents per sack point. It just doesn't make any sense, right? So currently it looks like 4 cents or 0.0015 eShare per sack point is the cheapest price in the marketplace when it comes to the eShare sales. You can also take a look here at the BNB side, but it does look like that 4 cent mark with the eShare is the cheapest right now at the time of recording this video in early July. You can find some great deals in the marketplace, so it is worth it to keep your eye on the marketplace at least once a day, to keep an eye out for those great deals, to scoop them up whenever you see one if you do have extra eShare lying around. Right now, I feel like 4 cents is a great deal considering that EMP is at 19 cents today. So we're going to go ahead and buy one of these. So all you have to do is click on the buy button. You can see that there's 30,173.08 sack points up for sale here. You have the option whether you want to buy one, all, or anything in between. So what you're going to do is, let's say, for example, because this is a test account, I just want to buy one. We're going to start out by approving the transaction. Of course, you have to make sure that you have eShare in your wallet before you can make this purchase. So that would always be your first step. Then you're going to go ahead and press the buy button. You're going to put that through. And we have successfully purchased sack points. Now, important to note, that seller would have received that eShare directly into their wallet. Another important thing to note is that any remaining energy rewards that we're collecting in our batteries would have just been auto-claimed for us. Any energy that was collecting in our buyback and earn would have just been auto compounded for us. And so a great way to check and confirm that this happened is to go to dbank.com, enter your wallet address, and check the transactions tab. So I've just gone to DBank, and you can see that 1 minute and 51 seconds ago, I just purchased my sack point for 4 cents, and it auto claimed for me my USDT, WBNB, and ETH out of my batteries. Because it's a test account, they all had very little in them, about 1 cent each, but it did auto claim all of those for me when I did purchase that sack point from the marketplace. So very important to note, if you do see your rewards that we're accumulating just all of a sudden disappear, they're not disappearing. You will never lose your rewards. They're either being auto claimed for you or auto compounded for you, depending on whether you had it collecting in batteries or in your BBE section. So that is all there is to purchasing microgrids. It's very easy, as you can see. It's all about just finding the right deal, entering in how many SAC points you'd like to purchase, approving the transaction, and hitting the buy button. It's really that easy. We'll be back soon with a number of other tutorials, so keep your eye on this channel, and we'll see you soon.